All right, time now with the traders and answer some of your questions. Let's get to it. First up, Joe, this one's to you. Scott in Missouri asks, Seattle Genetics stock has been going south for the last month. Is now the time to invest more? Joe, you own it.
I do own it, and yes, that's correct. July 20th, the stock was up near 188 after earnings, and it's pulled back to the mid-150s here. The 200-day moving average is at 135. That's not your reason to buy it. I think you're buying it from the strong fundamentals that this company possesses. A nice biotech mid-cap name. Its focus is on immunology and monoclonal antibodies. So there is fundamental validity as to why I'm in this name, and I would suggest others would be well suited to step in and buy it here as well.
All right, next for Stephanie Link. David in Colorado wants to know what he should do with his Twitter position.
Well, if the stock is up 26% year to date, it's lagged the other communication companies, if you will. But it was a very good quarter. They beat on the earnings. They're monetizable daily active users. That's what this stock trades on. It was up 35% year over year. Expenses also were only up 5%, down from 18%. So they're doing a very good job on the cost line, operating leverage. So I still like it. I still own it. I would wait for a little bit of a pullback to add to it.
All right, Carrie. Is now the time to sell Booking Holdings? By the way, that's from Rick in Washington.
Rick, the stock is up 61% from the bottom, but Booking is still down 10% for the year. Remember, this is the #1 site for booking rooms, and travel, of course, has taken an enormous hit. They're starting, I think, to see a pickup, mostly because of the type of stay in a house that you can rent on their website. But once there's a vaccine approved, and that's probably going to be within the next year for sure, this is the type of option on that kind of positive move in reopening stocks that will make a big difference for Booking, and I wouldn't sell it right here.
All right, next up, Tiffany. John in Pittsburgh wants to know, where do you see Dick's Sporting Goods, by the way, a Pittsburgh-based company, stock in 6 months?
Thanks for the question, John. So in 6 months, quite frankly, if I had a crystal ball, again, I would not be sitting here with you guys, or I'd be sitting here from a boat. But I really do like the fact that their sales were up about 194% in the second quarter. You know, the stock has really been moving because everybody's at home and trying to figure out ways to work out when they couldn't really go to gyms. And I think this is going to continue. So even in the past 5 days, the stock is up almost 15%. So I see it continuing to rise.